Okay, hello everyone, my dear learners. Today we are going to learning about the main important features of the Google Classroom. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, now the basic and foremost thing I will make one thing here. I have minimized my this Google web search engine. ಈ Google web search engine ಅನ್ನ minimize ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, no problem. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು see here, I have paused my account. It is means I have logged out from my account. Those who are newcomers or new entrants to my classes, they can once again come to know here that how to open the Google Classroom. ಯಾರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I will go for opening the account of the Google Classroom. Okay, the first and foremost thing is typing class.google.com. This is the basic link that you have to use it to open the Google Classroom. Okay, fine. So as I have opened already this Google Classroom, so that there is no need for signing up. Now see here, this site cannot be reached. This site cannot be reached. So therefore, what I have to do in this case here, so I will do one thing here, that first I will activate my account. In such a way that by using email, I will initiate my work. So ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಯೂಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I have to give the validation to that particular site. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಾದ್ರು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೌದಾ? ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ as you know it, that the crimes, what we call as internet related crimes are increasing. Therefore it is necessary to provide our validity first by using our email or etc. Okay, now I will select it. Now I have signed out. I will go for signing right now here. I will go for signing. Now initially I am going to activating. Check your Galaxy A51. It is asking. Okay, it is asking. It is sending me like this, or else try another way to sign in. Either I can go for here, or I am getting now here with the help of this one. But even after that, I will not see here. This is my mobile phone, Galaxy A51. So wherein you can find out here. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ yes ಅಂತ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. But try to sign in from another computer, means here I have used it, but I don't want to use this one. I will go for the another way by using email and password. Okay, I am going for here using my email and password. Email I have used it. It will ask password here. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I will go for doing all these things here. I don't want to go for this one. I will enter directly password now here. I will enter password. ಈಗ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What I am giving you, these are the basics that you have to understand to open and validate your account. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೈಜವಾಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಸಿ okay, fine. Don't make it show your person. If you are individual, you can do it. Otherwise, now I am sharing here. I don't want to show it. That is why I click next. Let us see now here. Okay, definitely it will take you to the my email page, Google image page, Google Chrome image page. So it is now slowly accessing. You can see here it is giving some signal here, loading Gmail. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಇದು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಾವಕಾಶನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, so now see here, it will be showing my inbox. Okay, this is my account as usual. Right side, how to come to know about whether is it my account or not. Here one image is there, my image, Google account, Dr. PS Hegde, Hegde PS, Hegde PS at gmail.com. Okay, so this is there. Now I will go for the another tab to open Classroom Google.com. Here it is there. Okay, I will click it. Now see here, Classroom Google.com. I have clicked it here. https:// So this is by default, this https:// ಇವು ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿನ ಇವು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ classroom google.com. ನೋಡಿ, now I am directly entering into this classroom.google.com. okay, now I can log out here also. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಲಾಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. let us see. I will sign out from here. I will sign out now here. Please wait, it is asking. Okay, so for the basic learners I am going to make you here. Okay, now it is signed out. Now syncing has passed. Okay, ಈಗೇನು ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Understand my point. Your bookmarks, history, password and more are no longer being synced to your account, but will remain on this device. Sign in to start syncing again. If you want to sign in, you can make this right button, lower right button, sign in again. This button you have to click. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್. ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ, ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್. ನಾವು ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್, ನಾನೀಗ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ I am using few more these emails. Later on I can come to know it. But now signed out now. I have signed out. If I want to go for the Google Classroom once again, what I have to do? That is the question of here. Again, I have to go for the choosing the account first. I'll choose hegdeps@gmail.com account. Okay. Okay, next I will enter the password here. I will enter the password. Still it is accessing. Okay. Few things that we have to understand, that whenever we are going for this technical aspect, you have to wait. Okay, I will type password. ನಾನು type password type ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, go for the next step. Next ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಬಟನ್ ಅದುಮಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಬೇಕು. Okay, next now surely I will landing on home page or working page of or operational page of Google Classroom. So ನಾನೀಗ Google Classroom ನ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, make it a bit. Fine. It is taking time. As usual, you know, 2 folders are here. 2 ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿದವು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು. Okay. So if I want to what now here, I will archive this one. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ ಇದು. ಯಾವುದು? 3rd semester. ಎಲ್ಲೇ? In the archive folder. Archive means these are the deactivated folder. Okay, I will refresh it. Refresh ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, now let us see, will it appear again or not? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ? ಅದು 3rd semester education evaluation. In short, I have made it as abbreviated as EE. Will it appear or not? Let us see now here. Still it is loading. It is taking some time. Once again, I will click right 3 dots. Okay, I will make your attention to go for here, right top 3 vertical dots. If I click this one, move, copy, invite link, edit, copy, archive. I will click it here, archive. Now next this box will open to. Now again the permission it will ask. Shall I archive it? Yes, archive it. ಹೋಯ್ತದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಈ archived classes ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. I will show it later. Okay, now here again your class will be get archived. Now same thing happens in the next permission box. I will archive it. Now no folders are there here, no classes are here. Okay, last 10 minutes is there. Innೊಂದು 10 minutes ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು join ಆಗಿ for another half an hour. I will continue, no problem. Now I will show here archived classes. As you know it, classes, calendar. I will click archived classes. So definitely it will be stored in the archived classes, but these are the deactivated classes. These are not active. But if you want to activate, you can activate. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ activate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು activate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, see here. Okay, you can see here your class ET is here, and here one more second year class is there. Therefore I don't want to go for it now. Understand? I don't want to go for all these archived classes. Okay, fine. Now I'll get back to this page. Now it is blank. Now this is blank. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, once again I am repeating all these things for those. Okay, now create plus right top button here. This is next to this 9 dot icons, Google Apps, which represents the Google Apps. In 9 dot icon, this is also next to my account page, my account. Okay, here 2 options are there. One is join class, another one is create class. Join class is for the students. So if I click the join class, definitely it will ask you to enter the Google Cloud. Okay, join class andre it is usually for the students as well as for the co-teacher too. Co-teacher kuda join agbodu, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So but right now it is for the students ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ನೀವನ್ನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಯು ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೋಡ್. ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. Now I will cross it. I don't want to join class. I will cross it, or else I will create class right now here. Okay, so this is the thing day before yesterday and since 2 days that we are trying out. Yakandre idu kelagade bandittu. This portion was hiding behind this strip of the Zoom. Ee Zoom strip kade kelagade ittu. It could not permit me to interact with these things. Now using classroom at a school with your students, yes, I have read it will give the certain conditions. If you check it or click on the right mark, it will continue will appear with the blue color. Now no, it is not activated. If you click it, I have read and understood all the notices and whatever the conditions by the students, abide by it. I am not using classroom at school with students. Okay, continue it. Now it will ask you, I will make like this. Okay, ICT, okay, basics, ICT basics. If you want section, you can write it like this: first sem, or section A, section B. If you want to, or else you can take it here and copy it here, cut it, and you can and paste it here also. You can write it here first semester, or if any class you wanted, you can write it A. If you want row number 1 or practical hall or 2 or 3, you can whatever you can do it. Otherwise, these 3 among the 4 these fields, these 3 are not the lower 3 section subject group. These are not mandatory. You mandatory alla. You can write it or not, but the first one is mandatory. First one ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ mandatory ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So I will make the create here. Last 5 minutes is there. Once again I am reminding you to create the Google Classroom. Now I will go for creating. What else you will find? Okay, what are the features and how it looks like? Okay, I will ask you to create also. Now it is taking time. Now see here, what is displaying here at last? Okay, stream, classwork, people, grades, as I have already said it. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ. The third and the fourth field, they never appear. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So that I am mainly using the first field typing, first field options. Now here, see here, this is first semester A class code here is there. If I click this display, see here, if I hover on this one square, it will show you. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Once again I will cross it, or else you can copy the link here. Here copy in my link here is there, no, you can copy and paste it and send it to your friends by mail or WhatsApp or some other modes. Okay, I will cross it. Google Cloud is there, IGQG3UF. So either you can, I will paste it. Okay, ನಾನು ಈ ತರನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಾರಿ, it is not getting, sorry. Okay, how I can write it here, how I can take it here? I G Q G 3 U F. Now anybody can join this one. Okay, now anybody can join using this one. So like this, you can create it. Understand my point? So here same thing again, stream is the general announcement. I will make here announcement. Welcome you all to my virtual LMS. In this way, I can make the announcement. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿನೂ ಕೂಡ see soon after typing you have to click on post until you are clicking on the post. ಇದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ post ಅಂತ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಇದಾವು. Post, schedule, save it, but I will go for post. Okay, now welcome you all to my virtual LMS. So in this way you can create your class, but 4 main tabs will appear: stream, classwork. Okay, classwork you can observe it as you have observed many times in your these things. People wherein 2 persons are used. 2 persons are 2 types of the persons, not 2 persons. One on teacher side. You can ask your teacher to join also at the same time. Okay, you can invite your teachers by sending the mail. Okay, but you can type it the mail and send it. And similarly, I can go for typing your these things. Okay, your mail and all. Okay, I have done it to you already, or else you can select the invite link. But this is most dangerous one. Immediately everyone can get into your this thing. That is why I won't at all prefer this one. Okay, with this one you have to join again. But I am reminding you that you have to join again soon after completion of this session. So dear students, so in this spirit we learned mainly on how to open the teacher's version of the Google Classroom, which is one of the